Hey guys, this is Sammy back here with another video on the Ford F-150 2016. Just wanted to explain how to jack up the vehicle to replace the tire. Again, the jack is located in the passenger rear door. So you would take the jack out of this location here. I already have it taken out for the purpose of the video, and I have it set up already where for the back tire, to take out the back tire. Alrighty, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna want to loosen the lug nuts before you get started jacking it up. So you want to get it at least loose. So you want to put it there on the nut, and then you want to put your weight on it and push down on it so that you get your full weight on it. Put both hands on it. I'm not gonna put both hands on it because I'm holding the camera, but you get the point. You push down, lefty loosey, and you want to do that with all the nuts. Get them all loose. Purpose of this video, I already have them all loose to make it a little easier for me. So they are all loose for me. Alrighty, and then let me go ahead and show you where I set up the jack. Set the jack right underneath the axle, and then you're gonna need this little this tool with the hook, and it goes right there connected on the jack. And then set up this one here. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you get the point. You're gonna have to spin this clockwise towards the right to lift it up and get it up. Get the vehicle off the ground as high as you can get it. Make sure your brakes are on, and your vehicle's not going to roll nowhere before you start jacking up the vehicle. So if you have a block or anything, you can put on any of the other wheels to prevent it from moving. You want to do that. And then once you got it high enough that the tire, see, I'm already above, you could see underneath the tire already a little bit. So now you come back over here and just loosen all the nuts by hand. Get them all taken out. Might take a little while. Sounds kind of tight. Still. Okay, just about got them all off. One more left. Alright, and then you just pull it off. You want to use both hands. Alright, and there you have it, how to remove a tire from a 2016 Ford F-150. This is a 4-door truck. I'll see if I can do another video, maybe the front tire, maybe a little different on the location of the jack. But thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe.